Former Chief Minister Ibobi denies allegation in MDS scam, says he will fight the case. Minister Losi Diko assures that the government will extend all possible support to investors coming to Manipur. First all-women crew of Indian Navy set to sail around the world. Lieutenant Vijaya Devi of Manipur is in the team. And 6 northeast states, including Manipur, can participate as individual units in Ranji Trophy from the next season. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Usham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Former Chief Minister Okram Ibobi today categorically denied the allegations against him in the multi-crore Manipur Development Society MDS scam. Ibobi said he will fight the case as he has been framed without any solid evidences. The former Chief Minister also maintained that he will gracefully accept the verdict of court. Speaking to media persons at his official residence in Babupara today, Ibobi further said it is wrong to frame charges against him just because he was the chairman of MDS for a short period of time. He said the truth cannot be hidden and the truth behind MDS scam will be revealed soon. Ibobi said when he was the chief minister, he along with the then chief secretary directed the state vigilance to investigate the MDS scam. He said due to the assembly elections and other works, it was delayed. Ibobi asserted that he did not withdraw funds from any project by making a counter signature while he was the MDS chairman. The former chief minister also said there must be a record in all banks that has funds of the government. Transactions of any project cannot be misplaced. He termed the criminal case filed against him as baseless.
Bank mayam city lot pa yaba opportunity public domain den layer baneba any layer magadi mudu noi bank manager sings the for all photo state copy for all hypes the easily identify tawanga moidrone madu tawra kanda da aigi Iran layer maba any misuse tawa fund diversion tawa any transaction tawa I involve tawramagadi then madu dagi langla langjin si sum sing thoga aina commit tawramba aigi Iran dugi mating na dandi pibda I harauna taram I sagani yes I sumbama I commit tawre and tawzegani sinida aina thamjani adugumbadu specific waiba findings to later criminal law in the Pantan University is most unfortunate.
PHED and Printing and Stationery Minister Losi Diko today assured that the government will extend all possible support to investors coming to the state. The minister asserted that the law and order situation in Manipur has improved. He was speaking at the one-day seminar organized by All Manipur Press Association on emerging technologies and scope of Manipur vis-a-vis India's Act East policy at Hotel Classic Grand Chingmairong today. The minister maintains that Manipur has made a significant contribution in culture, sports, education and films, despite being a small state. He observed that people who do not know about Manipur have a wrong perception about the state. Losi Diko opines that unless one becomes familiar with the people of Manipur, it will be difficult to understand the people. The minister lauded the efforts of the print and electronic media in the state and assured them of all possible support.
We have one weakness, that is frequent burn and blockades, but that is our local concern, local issues. We're trying to bring change in that difficult situation also. There is a lot of improvement now, law and order in the state. So today, there is big opportunity for any kind of investment. I would once again like to appreciate to all the people, all the industries, whoever has come today here to give your concern and investment in the state. Our government will be with you and will be always positively supporting you in your investment.
Social Welfare Minister Nemcha Kipgen today heaped praises on differently abled persons for their remarkable accomplishment. Speaking at a felicitation of differently abled persons who have bagged international, national and state awards held at Royal Conference Hall of Classic Hotel, the minister said their achievements prove that one can achieve success through hard work. She also emphasized the need to motivate them. M. Premier, who has bagged International Excellence Award for Service to Disabilities, Archer as Luang Lakpa Maite, who bagged a bronze in international event, L. Amarendra Sharma, who has won National Award for Best Individual in the category of Professional Working for the Cause of Persons with Disabilities, T.H. Sarju Devi, who has bagged Best Creative Child National Award, and Soibam Birlam Devi, winner of State Handicraft and Guru Shish Parampara Award, were presented with mementos and certificates at the event.
Ehak disabled oire haiduna opening wakan hantadana tabak suduna payaba service kaya thobagi damakta International Excellence Awardee for Service of Disabilities pangi disabled oibasing gidamak disabled oiba amana Makoy gidamak phazaba thabak kaya toba asi ekoina pokning thogat pa thoi ekoina hangi soina deba mioi kaya na toba ngam deba thabak kaya soina ba singna toba ngami.
Minister Nemcha Kipgen today stated that under Accessible India campaign, the government will make 30 government office buildings easily accessible to the persons with disabilities. The minister mentioned this at the 44th Foundation Day celebration of Government Ideal Blind School, Takil. She said the Social Welfare Department is implementing various social security schemes under state plan like scholarship for the students with disabilities, unemployment allowance to the educated unemployed persons with disabilities, financial assistance to PWDs, marriage incentive award, granting aid to organizations formed by persons with disabilities or parents of severe disabilities. The minister felicitated students of this school who excelled in academics and in the field of sports at various state and national level competitions. The second college week of Liberal College, Luang Sangbam, concluded today with Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham as the chief guest. Speaking at the closing event, Minister Radhesham said he was aware of the grievances faced by Liberal College all these years as an aided college. He appeals to students and teachers of the college to have patience as the government is trying to meet the needs of the college.
Always God's plan. Let us be positive. You will get everything in this universe. It is how you explore, how you exploit it, and then how you look at it, how is your perception. Attitude positive.
A team of 6 naval officers, including Lieutenant S.H. Vijaya Devi of Manipur, are starting a historic and grueling around-the-world mission tomorrow, the first circumnavigation of the globe by an all-female crew of the Indian Navy. Lieutenant Commander Vartika Joshi, who is leading the voyage, which will begin in Goa, said the project was revolutionary in bringing women to the helm and would inspire others in the country. In recent years, the Indian Navy has sought to open its doors to women to take on more challenging roles, with the latest project winning the backing of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who urged the crew to project India's capabilities and strengths across the world. The Navy commissioned a 17-meter, 56-foot yacht, Tarini, in February for the mission, with the crew kicking off preparations for the voyage in 2014. Retired naval officer Captain Dilip Dhonde, who undertook India's first solo around-the-world expedition in 2009-10, mentored the crew. The team sailed twice to Mauritius and once to Cape Town in preparation. Their journey will feature stops in Australia, New Zealand, the Falkland Islands and South Africa. They are expected to return to Goa in March next year. The Union Minister of State for Development of North-Eastern Region, Donor Dr. Jitendra Singh, today inaugurated the North-East Calling Festival, the first of its kind to be organized by the Ministry of Donor in the Union capital. The two-day North-East Calling event is organized by the Ministry of Development of North-Eastern Region, Donor, under its Destination North-East series of this year. While inaugurating the event, Dr. Jitendra Singh appeals to the public to come and visit the festival and understand the richness of culture of North-East. He said the North-East has been on the priority of the government under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He said the focus has not only been bringing North-East closer to the rest of the country, but also to bring rest of India closer to the North-East. He said these events, that too in the heart of national capital, help the artisans and people of North-East to showcase their talent. The event will include music festival for bands of North-East, cultural night for dancers of North-East, handloom demo show presenting the clothes of North-East, exhibitions of activities being undertaken in North-East, stalls by various central government ministries showcasing the works being undertaken by them in the region, stalls by state governments offering opportunities in their states, stalls for sale of products of NERA-MAC and NEHHDC, variety of food stalls including sale of delicacies of North-East, contests for all sections of young population to expose them to North-East, B2B summits on food processing, tourism and startup opportunities in the North-East. Forest and Environment Minister Thaunarjam Shyamkumar today intercepted 3 trucks loaded with timber on Ukhrul-Jasami Road, 25 kilometers from Ukhrul town on the way to Karasom. 2 trucks were without transit pass. Shyamkumar directed them to get the transit pass. Later, they paid tax and got the pass. The minister also directed vehicles flouting traffic rules on the roads to follow them. At Karasom, the Minister inspected trees planted during Vana Mahotsava and was pleased to see that they were carefully protected by the Forest Department. He also inspected the trees planted during Vana Mahotsava at New Canal village in Ukhrul. Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur will organize a 5-day workshop on technique of paper setting and evaluation in collaboration with the National Council of Educational Research and Training NCRT from September 12 to 16 at GP Women's College Hall. People today held widespread sit-ins at various places demanding shutting down of Ithai Barrage, which is a part of Loktak hydroelectric project. Residents of Ishok, Shamushang, Shantipur, Laima Pokpam and Irom Maizrao affected by the barrage demonstrated to press their demand. The people said the paddy fields are submerged under the water of the barrage, causing serious problems to the people of the areas whose main occupation is farming. The fields were converted into fish farms, but due to the rise in water level on a daily basis, people are unable to continue with fish farming as well. Flash floods that occurred thrice this year have left many paddy fields inundated. The protesters maintain that the project will cause more destruction for the locals. It may be mentioned that Waheng Kuman, Ishok Shantipur, Mayang Imphal, Sanjenbam, Pukrambam, Lema Pokpam, Mutum Yangbi, Nambol and Oinam Kaino are frequently affected by flash flood caused by the project.
Azna koi hausi ising thumi se koi laima popam da natre akoi sagi makha da haida ki bida isho Waheng Kuman Santipur adagi Santipur makha ta ki ba mayam se loina hausi ising thum dana kai gumba sa ba thak law dagi phau dagi adagi koi na nga dagi karak da ba sing ja amata ka da na ngasi phau da lei ba nga khara du bo koi phagat laga yungi income oina sizina ga da bo adu su pha ba ya da na mafam du da sangjin ba ya da na hausi phau da ising na pungthum tum na punglang lang da na lei
hana koi Thai bridge lighting matam badi yamna phajna koi na law uramba kaya adu ngasina Ithai base laibadagidi ngkhotana ngasidi koina uramba law kaya ngasidi mangsilakpana maram oduna koida awaba ore sarkarna compensation amadi Ithai base lokthok piar famse makatana amukanasu akoi haijari.
Thobal Commando yesterday arrested 2 cadres of KCP MJC around 6:30 p.m. at Paudel Mayai Lekai. The arrested cadres are identified as Ilangbam Kesho alias Thoiba Luang, 42 years, son of E. Dijamani from Lamjao Awang Lekai, and Angom Ningol Naurem Ongbi Romibala, 47 years, wife of N. Khogen of Sugnu Mayai Lekai. They were arrested from the house of Sitar Jan, wife of late Muhammad Nasif Ali from Paudil Mayai Lekai. Sources said they allegedly demanded money from the auto associations of Kakching and the Pradhan of Lamjao. One mobile phone was seized from Keshaw. They have been handed over to Yaripok police station. Utonglog Sporting and Welfare Association and Management Committee of Awang Longa Koireng Government High School, Utonglog, under Saikul subdivision of Kangpokpi district, in a press release condemned the utilization of 4 teachers of the school in some other schools when the said school does not have adequate number of teachers. The association urged the government to send adequate number of teachers at the earliest. Now it's time for a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. People have demanded suspension of coach Golden Thanga for assaulting weightlifting player Oinam Tondonba. They alleged that the coach trashed Tondonba from Oinam Mamanglekai. Speaking to media persons at his house at Oinam Mamanglekai, Tondonba said he was brutally assaulted by the coach without any provocation during the morning practice session on the 2nd of this month at Sai SAG Udlo Center in Bishnupur district. Tondonba's mother said her son is undergoing treatment for his knee injury and injuries in other parts of his body after the assault. She was apprehensive about her son's weightlifting career.
Why sungang ade dai no uzai do uzai soi grei matung to ko sorry sa he ba matung da ma ai ko je pai wal ja ani nam jalak pene ba ade dai tung gyan mang re mang su am thok re ba ai ngon du ai ne khoram chang ba kan ma khoram chang du non da khuning ne sur pa gum bai ngon da kok na ba ra kala
Daguli sarga yum the potara ka lejari isa je chana ba yani yaro hai ba hoji asengba mati khangdri doctor am ba khata ne hinjage ne kanna honna dana tawri hoji sara nam sarga na me la ga isa chembani le ba ki tamati isa je mi chat program na idi kanna honna dana hoji bone o zamana chatra samaina tropa je yam thina pen de nungai ti suspend di pam de do ma thabak se pra o za ba tu anbani aine mama aine o beta
State General Secretary of National People's Party (NPP), Khuraijam Loken said around 30 people who were not distributed PDS items under NFSA for not casting votes in Wangoi constituency have filed a complaint at the court. Speaking at the 16th Foundation Day of Apokpa Laningtho Sports Association cum reception for sportsperson at Top Shifai Thongkong Kaitel in Wangoi constituency today, he further said the number of complaints regarding non-distribution of PDS rice under NFSA is increasing day by day. He asserted that the rice has been sanctioned by the Center for the People. W. Henry of Apokpa Laningtho Sports Association, who was in India's Sepal Takraw team in the International De France Cup, was also felicitated at the event. Successful national players under Apokpa Laningtho Sports Association of Top Sifai Thongkong Kaitel were also felicitated at the event.
Iro Majal de Label Lamdamski covered part of my bill since the 2020 covered up. Seeing Mangre, I sing Peter. How do you want to know Mujum Tiam Sang Kong? Me Kuntan Puya Kaisi, both Peter and seeing Peter Kangu, the card party, heck, how to put it. Court as that Karetari. Violate them in the Makosi court through the Salaga court to Gimoya. Court get through the Lapamatam the day. Kanaka Mu do like the Larry I think PB the Havagi walk alone the Kaloi. Court the Salaga one weekend the Christian Bulletin Janga Hadi. Hello, can angel thing when I had me. As I Laludi Uramoy. Assume not a woman, the Kanasu yellow, New Musumodi, development of Kanasu yellow, Lingjel lady Tonali, the Hojitolo Botin, Amagi, Mapam Saksa, the Mawaz Saksa, the Hill Alaman Nipao, the otherwise Bagi Motor, Niman Tola, Nipa and Tola, Nipa Amagi Matoto to use.
Langol Housing Complex Development Committee today organized a cleanliness drive in Langol area. More than 700 people participated in the drive. The committee thanked the councillor of Oripok, Bobby, for providing truck and JCB during the cleanliness drive and expressed the hope that the present government will look into the grievances of the people living in the area. Suspected MSF volunteers vandalized the office of Kanglei Chanu Kanba Loop at Porampat yesterday. Terming the incident as unfortunate, President of the Loop, T.H. Gambhini, sought clarifications from those responsible for the act. Around 50 self-proclaimed MSF volunteers destroyed the office equipments, including furniture and important documents, yesterday afternoon around 1. Speaking to media persons, T.H. Gambhini said that there is no enmity between MSF and Kanglei Chanu Kanbalu. She maintained that even if there was any misunderstanding between the two organizations, things could have been sorted out through talks.
MNC Haibachi restaurant sing na usilaktaba oktabi laifam restaurant sing na MNC puhulakpa Kanglei Chanu Kanba puhulakpa sigumba mayam che machi thoktana bagi damakta khabar duda MNC haidana khoina pangiba do adu khaktani duga MNC ki isa sing buji akhoina nuai taba karim ta khoina laite akhoina mama haibadu oibanina moigi opposite khoina satpa budi isa sing tuna sumna dangla kan dai mai sa khoi wari do chanaminaraga khana nainaraga karina phagadage chamthokmina badu ima khoina pamjeyeba aduda khoina MNC na kari Marangi Tuaibano, Quidi Maram Jisukang Kangre, Karigino Samam Nare, Aduga Quay Hababu covered the Quenakita Moi Palubogi Damakta, Oiram Basuya Habakozu Kalaga to Mina Layeba, Maram Jisukang Mungam Dribo.
Northeast Forum for International Solidarity and NEFIS held protests against the Myanmar government for persecuting the Rohingya community at Chanakyapuri, Delhi. NEFIS condemned the Myanmar government for orchestrating a systematic campaign for killing Rohingya community and urged the government of India to exert diplomatic pressure on Myanmar government to end the plight of Rohingya community. NEFIS said it stands for equal citizenship rights for the Rohingya community and will intensify its campaign for building international solidarity for their rights and justice. Panthoibi Cultural Research Center for Performing Arts, Imphal, celebrated its 30th Foundation Day at Lamyanba Shanglen in Palace Compound today. Individuals who have achieved success in their professions were also felicitated at the event. Speaking on human life and social economic culture, Dr. Dhanabir Laishram said, when people treasure their culture and traditions zealously, the society will progress. Laishram Basanazauba also took part in the celebration. Volunteers of Naharol, Yaipa Khongjang, NYK Thangmaiban planted various saplings at Langol Cherauching today on the eve of the 32nd Foundation Day of the organization. Art and Culture Department in a press release invites applications from registered cultural institutions of Manipur to showcase the cultural performances at Manipur Sangai Festival 2017. The application should reach Director of Art and Culture by 4 p.m. on September 20. Selected institutions will be invited to perform at Manipur Sangai Festival 2017. AK Films' second production with Impact TV as media partner, Thoicha 3, directed by Jitendra Ningombam, was released at Shankar Talkies today. Popular Manipuri artists Tontoi, Sadananda and Merina are in the lead roles. MLA N. Indrajit, Chairman of Film Forum Manipur as Mangol Jao, and Mayor of Imphal Municipal Corporation L. Lokeshwar attended the event. Now news from the world of sports. The Committee of Administrators COA has paved the way for cricket's growth in all 6 northeastern states by assuring them a slot in the Ranji Trophy from next season. The participation of 6 states, that is Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Sikkim, Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh, was one of important suggestions in the Lodha Committee reforms to extend the game to remote areas of the country. At a meeting, the representatives from the 6 states were given an assurance by the COA Chairman Vinod Rai that they would be able to participate as individual units in the 2018-19 season. Veteran board official Professor Ratnakar Shetty has been tasked with the responsibility to work out a smooth integration of the 6 states into the mainstream. Some former cricketers in the past had expressed their apprehensions regarding granting of first-class status to the northeast states, claiming the move would dilute the quality of cricket, an opinion which did not hold weight in the view of the Lodha Committee. The North-East states had expressed a desire to compete in the Ranji Trophy this season as a combined team, but the COA spelled out time and logistics constraints since the tournament commences on October 6th. The North-East will be considered as the 6th zone of the cricket circuit, with each state participating as individual units in under-23 and under-16 categories from the current season. The finalists of the North-East zone would then participate in the national interzonal tournament in these sections. Manipur's mixed senior team emerged champions in the North-East Zone Interstate Badminton Championship 2017 held at Aizawl. This is the first time the mixed senior team won the championship in the last 20 years. In the final of the championship, Manipur beat Mizoram 3-1. Manipur beat Assam 3-2 in the semi-final. Junior under-19 mixed team backed the runners-up title. Aim Khabam Lamkhai and SU Sagolband beat their opponents in the league matches of the 12th Manipur State League football tournament played at Khuman Lampak Artificial Turf Ground. In the 7th league, Aim Khabam Lamkhai's Mohammad Fayazuddin netted a goal in the 25th minute of the match, beating Nako Nambol Mapal 1-0. In the 8th league, SU Sagolband beat DM Rao Awang Sekmai 1-0. Klasa Kaino and Neroka FC Sangakfam will meet in the 9th league match, while Move Van Lai FC Kangpokpi will meet YPHU Lalambung in the 10th league match tomorrow. Group Commander NCC Group Headquarters Imphal Brigadier Vivek Sharma yesterday felicitated the under-14 NCC Group Imphal team which participated in the Subroto Cup football tournament held in Delhi. The team reached quarterfinals of the tournament after beating Delhi, Maharashtra and Gujarat by huge margins. They lost to Manipur State team in the quarterfinals. The team was awarded a cash prize of 25,000 rupees and each player was presented with a full football kit. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Former Chief Minister Ibobi denies allegation in MDS scam, says he will fight the case. Minister Losi Dikko assures that the government will extend all possible support to investors coming to Manipur. First all-women crew of Indian Navy set to sail all around the world tomorrow. Lieutenant Vijaya Devi of Manipur is in the team. And 6 North-East states, including Manipur, can participate as individual units in Ranji Trophy from the next season.